We're going to create this baby dancing video. Let's move into the tutorial right now. The first app we're going to use is our TikTok. When you come to this place, type dance video and search for any dance you want to make use of. Tap on any dance you want, click on the share icon and tap on the download button for it to download. Another method is this: just screenshot the shot on this picture, the picture of this person. After downloading it, then you head over to ChatGPT. Come over to this plus sign and click on your photos to bring out the screenshotted picture and write create a 3D animated pizza style character of this image and wait for it to be generated. ChatGPT has created an image for us. Just tap on it and save it. The next app we are going to use is CapCut. Open your CapCut, click on this plus, the new project, click on photos. You click on that generated image, bring it over to the app, then you tap add. Click on it and drag it to 8 seconds. That is the least it can generate. Now come down here and click on mimic motion and tap on it. Now they said the reference video, the video we downloaded, we are going to bring it up here. So we are going to use the move 1.5. Then you tap on generate. So let's wait for it to generate. CapCut have generated the reference video for us. So let's play it and see the turn off. You can see how beautiful it is. I know with this step-by-step illustration, you have got value. Kindly type got value in the comment section. What are we friends for? If you can click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.